Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to introduce about the new definition, completing the square. Completing the square is harder technique in mathematics and you will learn this definition in algebra too. A lot of my students have problem about this completing the square technique, so I want to use this video for practicing more about this question. The main method for completing the square is you have to remember one identity, algebraic identity. A plus b square, we call this one is square of sum. And you can expand this bracket into a square plus 2ab plus b square like this. You can imagine like this. You have the first number is a and the second number is b. So when you want to expand, the square of sum is become to the first number a square. The second number will be in the last term. And the middle term, you got 2 times a product A and B. The main point of this formula, you have to determine which one is the first number and which one is the second number. You got 3 plus n and square. Outside is mean the square of sum 3 and n. The first number is 3, right? So the first term when you want to expand here is the first number square. And the second term you will have the 2 times product between 3 and n like this. And the last one you have the second number will be square like this. After that we simplify this become to 9 plus 6 times n plus n square like this. This is the normal way when you want to change from the square of sum become to expression. So how about the inverse way? The inverse way is mean a square plus 2ab and plus b square equal to the square of sum. So this formula in this way, you can see now, first you have 3 terms in the left hand side, and then you can change that become to only 1 term in the right hand side, so it become to shorten very quickly. This technique we will apply to completing the square. Example, I have n squared plus 6n plus 9 equal to something in here. The first one you want to completing the square is mean you have to change from the 3 term in the left hand side become to only 1 term in the right hand side. So the first number is very easy to recognize that you have square of n. It means n is the first number. And then you have product of 2 and something else. So you have to factor 6 become to 2 and another number multiply 2 equal to 6. So I figured out it is 3. And I will write out 6n in the 2 times 3 times n form. So the last one you got 9. 9 you can write out is the square of a number. So that number will be 3. So 3 square here. For this form you got a square 2ab plus b square. So very easy for recognize that n equal to a, 3 equal to b. And now you have a plus b square is mean you got n plus 3 square in this form. So apply for the red pencil in this question. How can you solve this one? You got a square plus 6x plus 15. So I will change form. A square keep it unchanged, and 6x I will factor is become to 2 times 3 times x like this. And then I recognize that the second number is 3. So this one have to be 3 square. 3 square is 9, but in here you got 15. So I will plus 6 in this position. This one is 9 plus 6 equal to 15. So I separate 15 become to 9 plus 6. So that's why I have the number 9 in this position. After this step, I have another form. The second line here, you got first 3 terms can combine them together. X plus 3 and the square outside, and the outside number will be 6. So this one we finish completing the square. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and if you have any question about completing the square, you can comment in the below. Thank you so much.